Okay. Area and circumference of a circle. Area formula is pi r squared. Circumference is either pi d or 2 pi r, depending on what you're given. Since the diameter is twice r, that's why they're the same. So for these first four, find area. Well, pi r squared, we've got the radius, so that's 12 squared pi, or 144 pi. And that's just how we're going to leave it. Only if you're given a multiple choice option do we go any further. We're just going to leave it as pi. 2.8 squared pi. Well, 2.8 squared, I don't know off the top of my head, so the calculator says 2.8 squared is 7.84. So 7.84 pi. Now, we need radius, we have diameter. So since the diameter is 18, that means that the radius is 9. So that's 9 squared pi. 9 squared is 81. So 81 pi. Diameter is 35. Half of 35 is 17.5. So we do 17.5 squared pi. And that's 306.25 pi. And that's it. That's how we leave it. Now, for finding circumference. Again, we're going to use either pi d or 2 pi r. Well, we've got radius, so that's 2 pi r. Well, 2 times 7 is 14 pi. And we leave it like that. Again, we have radius, so that's 2 pi r. Well, 15.6 times 2 is 31.2 pi. Now, we have a diameter, so that's pi d, so 58 pi. Diameter is 10.2, so that's 10.2 pi. And we're done. Okay, so find the diameter when a circle has a circumference of this, 65.97. Well, since we have the circumference and we need to find the diameter, that means we divide by pi. So this time we have to actually divide by. So we do 65.97 over pi. And so we do 65.97 divided by pi on the calculator. And we get 20 when rounded. So 20 meters. Then find the radius when a circle has a circumference of 21.99. So again, we do 21.99 over pi. And so that would be 7. That's our diameter. And so then we divide that by 2 to get the radius. And that's 3.5 feet. Then if we come over to this one, find the diameter of a circle with an area of this, 90.25 squared pi. Well, 90.25 pi, well, when we divide by pi, the pi's cancel, and we're left with 90 0.25. So we take the square root of that. So 90.25 square root is 9.5. So that's our radius. Now for our diameter, we multiply that by 2 and get 19. And so that's our diameter. Okay, so you just got to take it in steps. And finally, find the area of a circle with a circumference of this. Well, we take the 26 pi divided by pi, and that tells us that the diameter is that. Well, for area, we need radius. So we divide by 2, and we get the radius is 13. So 13 squared pi is 169 pi. And so that's what we would get. Okay, so you've got to be able to work both ways with the formula. You've got to be able to work backwards from one to get the information you need for the other. Okay, so just take what you got and be able to work around it.